Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer ChargePoint API tokens for analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the ChargePoint developer portal. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the API section on the dashboard. Click on the API tokens option. You will see a list of your existing API tokens here. Identify the token you wish to transfer. Click on the token to view its details. Next, copy the API token to your clipboard. Open a new tab in your web browser. Navigate to the destination system where you want to transfer the token. Log into that system using your credentials. Look for the API integration settings within that system. Find the section designated for token input or management. Paste the copied API token into the appropriate field. Review any additional configuration settings that may be required. Make sure to save or update the changes after entering the token. To ensure a successful transfer, test the connection to the ChargePoint API. Monitor the system for any error messages or connection issues. If everything works correctly, your API token has been successfully transferred. Document the token transfer and any relevant details for future reference. This concludes the process for transferring ChargePoint API tokens for analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.